Today we'll be talking about an avalanche today that happened at Ski Grove. Later on we will be talking with a family who lost their daughter in the avalanche.
Now we'll go over to Susan Fitzgerald with our regional weather map.
Good afternoon. Susan Fitzgerald here with your regional weather. In St. Croix Falls, we have a high of 54 and a low of 47 with cloudy weather. In Wausau, we have a high of 52 and a low of 48 with sunny weather. Down in Madison, we have a high of 55 and a low of 47 with sunny weather. Over to Ashland, we have a high of 55 and a low of 47 with sunny weather. Okay, over to Sturgeon Bay, we have a high of 47 and a low of 42 with cloudy weather. In Ironwood, we have a high of 41 and a low of 37 with sunny weather. Over to Eagle Harbor, we have a high of 39 and a low of 31 with cloudy weather. Down to Iron Mountain, we have a high of 52 and a low of 45 with sunny weather. In Menominee, we have a high of 48 and a low of 39 with cloudy weather. And Halbert has a high of 47 and a low of 39 with sunny weather.
Thank you, Susan, for that beautiful weather forecast. Here is Crystal Waters with our national weather map.
Hi, I'm Crystal Waters with the National Weather Map. First we start with Phoenix, Arizona, where the high is 82 and the low is 73. Then we go to Twin Falls, Idaho, where the high is 55 and the low is 52. Then we go over to San Antonio, Texas, where the high is 71 and the low is 65. Then we go to Denver, Colorado, where the high is 56 and the low is 49. Then we go over to Bismarck, North Dakota, where the high is 57 and the low is 48. Then we go to Jefferson City, Missouri, where the high is 57 and the low is 49. Then we go over to Miami, Florida, where the high is 78 and the low is 73. Then we go over to Green Bay, where the high is 52 and the low is 48. Then we go to Detroit, Michigan, where the high is 56 and the low is 49. Then we go to Sheville, North Carolina, where the high is 68 and the low is 63. There's a cold front that's going through California, Nevada that brings a low pressure cell, which brings cold, wet weather. There's a high pressure cell in South Dakota, Wyoming that brings sunny weather. There's another high pressure front in Minnesota and Wisconsin that brings sunny weather. There's a warm front in Texas that brings warm, wet weather. There's a high pressure cell in Louisiana that brings sunny weather. There's another high pressure cell in Florida that brings sunny weather. There's a cold front going through the northeastern states that brings cold, wet weather.
Thanks, Crystal!
Now over to Robbie Shapiro with our rain gauge.
Today we're going to be making a rain gauge. The supplies you're going to need is a spoon, a cup, jelly, 2-liter bottle, tape, paper clip, and a ruler. So the first thing you have to do is you're going to have to cut the bottle like this so it would fit in like this, and then to make it secure you have to take paper clips and put them in there. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to take your spoon and your jelly, and you're going to take 2 big spoonfuls of jelly, and then you're going to take water and make sure it's over the jelly so you can stir it. Okay, then you're going to stir the jelly for it's like liquidy. You're going to pour it into the bottle. make sure that this is flat. So then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to put it right on the flat part. And then you're going to tape your ruler. That's how you make your rain gauge. The next part is what you're going to do with your rain gauge is you're going to put it outside on a flat surface but by no trees because you're going to want to watch it when it rains to see how much it fills up.
I'm here with the Robertson family who is looking for their daughter in an avalanche that happened in Skibberell today. The avalanche is caused when a mountain builds up and falls down a mountain and destroys everything in its path. Mr. Robertson, how are you feeling?
It's very devastating to our family that we lost our only child. They are still looking for her, so we hope to find her soon.
We have found the missing Robertson daughter. Mackenzie, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling a little sore, tired.
Are you cold?
Yes.
Well, we found your parents. Would you like to see them?
Yeah, I guess.
Mom and Dad.
Oh my God. What have you been grounded?
Thanks for watching News at Noon.
See you tomorrow. Bye. I'm here with the Robertson family who lost their daughter in the avalanche. First, we have Phoenix, Arizona. The high is 82 and the low is 73. Then we go to Twin Falls in
Today we'll be talking about an ambulance today that happened at Skibberell. Later on we'll be talking with a family who lost their girl in the avalanche.
Okay.
Oh! Today we'll be talking about, oh my God, what was...
I'm here with the Robertson family who's looking for their daughter in an avalanche today. An avalanche is caused
Ellie! Stop!
What did I do? Hi, I'm Krista Waters, who's here with the Robertson family. In Phoenix, Arizona, we have a high of 83 and a low of 70.
Now,
Mrs. Waters, Mrs. Robertson, how are you feeling?
well, I really hope we find her soon because this is very devastating. Stop!
Now, Mrs. Roberts, how do you feel?
Well, my name is Robert's son.
We have found the missing